From Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, good evening and welcome back. If you stepped outside today, you already know that it was wicked hot out there. We've got sunshine still, a clear sky. Actually do have a little bit of wildfire smoke haze to talk about for you here over the course of the next day or two. We can see it already filtering in. I've got one good change to the forecast, and that it's going to feel like 2 degrees cooler tomorrow as we get into it compared to what we had today. 91 the current temperature in Lexington. North winds coming at you at 9 miles an hour. The dew points are near 70. Super muggy across the board. Everybody, at least with the air temps in the upper 80s to low 90s. Beattyville at 92. We've got 88 Richmond and Danville here this evening. The heat index in some areas there, 97 for us in Lexington. 100 is what it feels like in Somerset to the northeast. Notice how those feels like temperatures are actually in the lower 80s. That's something we can look forward to a little bit as we get into it. Now, air temperature highs have made it into the low 90s here today. We are anticipating that jumping a little bit further as we go into the next couple of days. Tomorrow, 94 feeling like 97. We go to Thursday, 97 feeling like 100 plus. Same story for Friday as we get into it 100 plus with the heat index too. The reason tomorrow is not going to feel as bad though is because we're actually going to see our dew points drop off a little bit. But on that air temperature note, we do have a chance to get near or even possibly tie a record. The best day for that's probably going to be Thursday, but we'd have to hit 99 to make it. I don't think we're going to quite get to 102 for Friday, and tomorrow's air temperature maybe a degree or two warmer than today. Still not quite getting there. So close but not quite on. We've got heat alerts wrapped around us for the end of the week here, but nothing in central or eastern Kentucky yet. Thursday and Friday, though, there's highlights all over the place for this excessive heat, something we'll continue to watch as we go through the next couple of days. But check this out. Through tomorrow morning, our dew points are going to drop all the way into the upper 50s and even near 60 degrees throughout most of the day, so it's not going to be as humid. Still a little on the humid side, but it's actually going to make it feel a little nicer tomorrow. Nicer is a relative term, of course. As we go into Thursday, we're going to go right back into those 70s with the dew points, and the sweat meter goes up. Those hundreds come back on the heat scale, and it's going to continue to be the trend for us through the end of the week. But here's the relief. High pressure in that heat dome starts to break down as we get into the end of the week, and by the weekend, some northwest flow and a cold front comes in to bring us more seasonable temperatures. Highs back in the 80s. The humidity goes away, and we're going to get a couple days there where it is going to feel like perfection compared to what we had going into this week and what we're going to have the next couple of days. So that 7-day forecast continues to stay very, very toasty. One note is that we're going to have a slight chance for maybe a couple of showers early Thursday. That could change some things for Thursday afternoon. The other chance is when that cold front starts to work in Friday night and into Saturday, we could see a couple of storm chances. Otherwise, the pleasant weather, that's a good 3-4 days out. Mitch?